In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're switching to a different language or making the text larger and easier to read, I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can get the most comfortable viewing experience. Let's start with changing the subtitle language while you're watching. Play any movie or show on Prime Video. Once it's playing, tap or click the screen to bring up the playback controls. Look for the speech bubble icon, sometimes labeled Subtitles and Audio. Open that menu and you'll see a list of available subtitle languages. Select the one you prefer, like English or Spanish, and the subtitles will switch right away if that language is available for the title you're watching. If you don't see the language you want, it's likely that the specific movie or episode doesn't include it. On some devices, the icon may appear at the top or bottom of the screen, but the process is the same. Open the Subtitles and Audio menu, pick your language, and you're set. Now, if you want subtitles that are bigger, higher contrast, or just match your viewing environment better, you can customize their style from a web browser. Open Prime Video in your browser and go to Settings, then open the Subtitles section. You'll see preset styles you can edit. Click Edit on a preset to customize details like font size, color, background, and opacity. Increase the font size for distance viewing, choose a high contrast color combination for readability, or add a semi-transparent background to make text stand out against bright scenes. When you save, your custom styles will be available the next time you watch, and you can create multiple styles and switch between them anytime, depending on what you're watching and where you're watching it. A few important notes to keep in mind. Not every title on Prime Video includes every subtitle language. If you open the Subtitles and Audio menu and see limited options, that content may only support one language. Also, device-level settings can override what you set in the app. For example, accessibility caption settings on your TV, streaming stick, phone, or tablet might change the font size, colors, or background you see in Prime Video. If your subtitles don't look the way you configured them on the web, check your device's caption or accessibility settings and adjust them there. That's it. You now know how to switch subtitle languages on the fly and how to fine-tune the look and feel of your captions so they're comfortable and clear every time you watch. Enjoy your show.